So hey everyone, it's LisaB, your local neighborhood realtor, and I'm standing outside this not so hidden gem. This is Oriana. This is a local health food store located right downtown Traverse City. If you're up in the area and you're looking for good healthy eats, you have got to check this place out. So we're on a little adventure today because we're about to journey on a juice fast. We're going to do a 4-day juice fast, and we're here to pick up some really yummy organic foods that we can juice. So we are so excited. Tons of yummy organic produce here. We get some mangoes, pineapples, and a bunch of greens. So I am so excited. We have turned our kitchen into an absolute disaster, but it's filled with lots of yummy fruits and veggies, and we're getting ready to prep everything for this juice fast. So why would you want to do a juice fast, you ask, and take a break from eating food? Your body is like a computer system. So if you overrun it and work it too hard, it eventually just shuts down. And years of just constantly eating food, even if it's good food, doesn't give your body time to take a break. So doing a juice fast enables that time to just let all of your insides take a rest and not have to digest all those crazy intense nutrients that you're constantly putting in. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of our mess in our kitchen. So we've got our juicer, getting everything washed and prepped. We've got a bunch of glass jars here. And check out, this is just for our 2 days. This is like half of the food that we have. We've actually run out of counter space. So we got a bag of goodies down here, more over here. And we got John taking care of all the apples. So John, this is your first time doing a juice fast. Any thoughts?
I like juice.
He likes food a lot. He eats more than any man I have ever known in my life. So I'm excited to see that he's willing to do this. Take a break and do a jump start in juice. I love the apple core too.
Yeah, it's pretty handy.
So we're actually peeling the apples because I don't want all of the wax that they put on them into our juice. And we've got to core them too because you don't want the seeds from apples. Some seeds are okay to go through a juicer, but not apples. Okay, so we are on day 2 of our juice fast. And we're just prepping for the next 2 days because we already drank all the juice that we made. So how are you feeling?
I'm feeling fine.
He's feeling fine. So 2 days of nothing but juicing, and it was a little hard not to snack on stuff tonight. And personally, I'm getting a couple little like hunger cravings, but as soon as I drink juice, I'm fine. Are you getting anything like that?
I'm good. I always get hungry. I'm always hungry. I always want to eat. It's no different.
It's always hungry, but hey, he's pulling off this 4-day juice fast. So wish us luck in the next couple of days. So we're on the end of day 2, prepping for the next couple of days. And yeah, we're getting a little better at this. Oh, we got some apples over here too. So this is all the juice that will be consumed in 2 days. So it's day 3 of our juice fast, and I just want to show you guys. So my favorite way to juice is to separate each of the different vegetables, and sometimes I might combine a couple just to fill up a jar. But let me show you guys what I like to do. And this way, you know, every time you go to the fridge, it's kind of like you still have a choice of what you're wanting to consume, and you can make all different kinds of recipes. So it's just a fun way to do the juicing instead of mixing it all at once and having the same flavor all day, every day for 4 days. Check this out. So here's our dinner for tonight, and I always like to go with the 75% rule. So I want to do about 75% greens. So whether that's kale, lettuce, spinach, There's a ton of different greens that you can incorporate, celery, and then I'll do a little bit of sweetener, so whether it's like carrot juice or apple juice. But if you follow that 70%, 75% rule, that's a really good way to make sure you're getting enough greens and not too many sugars from the fruit juices. So I'm really excited. Today is our first day we get to go back to eating normal food. So we're gonna ease back into that, doing some steamed rice and veggies. And if you guys are curious about doing a fast yourself, I'll put a link to my blog that gives you a ton of more information about what it's like to do a juice fast, some tips and things like that. But I'll put that down in the description below. And if you guys wanna see more fun content like this, go ahead and subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on if you've done a juice fast or if you'd ever consider doing one.